we have to find the nature of the quadratic form. Here the quadratic form is 6x1 squared plus 3x2 squared plus 14x3 squared plus 4x2 x3 plus 18x1 x3 plus 4x1 x2. The quadratic form is having three variables x1, x2, x3. Here the matrix of the quadratic form is 3 by 3 matrix. In order to find the principal minus of the matrix, D1, that is the first principal minor, 6, which is positive. D2, the determinant of the second order minor, 8 negative 4, that is 14, which is positive. And finally third order minor, D3 is equal to the determinant of the given matrix, det of 3 by 3 matrix. After simplification, we will get 1, which is positive. Here all principal minors are positive, that is D1, D2, D3 are positive. Hence the given quadratic form is positive definite.